1900s, the name Rolls-Royce has been the standard bearer of luxury, elegance, and style. Recently, they've given us a bold vision of the future with the Vision Next 100 concept car, the 103EX, a zero-emission, fully electric masterpiece. Its futuristic shape and partially encased wheels make the 103EX almost appear to float above the ground. At an imposing 19.4 feet in length, the 103EX is definitely designed to make a grand entrance. Hidden within the side of the wildly elongated front end is a spacious, retractable luggage compartment. The upward-hinging panoramic roof design lets passengers practically walk into the car. On the inside, the 103EX is a luxury heaven on wheels. Its uncluttered, spacious opulence includes a silk-upholstered two-seat couch, exotic wood paneling, and the finest handcrafted silk carpet available. Autonomously driven, the 103EX has no steering wheel. Driving, as well as all other functions, are controlled by Eleanor, an ethereal concierge, which finally puts a name to the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament. Operated by voice command, Eleanor gradually learns to anticipate its owner's favorite routes, stops, habits, and preferences. The Rolls-Royce 103EX demonstrates how technology will change the face of driving in the future. While this beautiful car comes equipped with an autonomous driver, just sitting behind the wheel will make you want to drive it yourself. Meet the Vision Series Mercedes Maybach 6, an all-electric gull-wing concept meant to demonstrate what a Mercedes Maybach will look like in the future. One of the most striking electric cars ever made, the Maybach 6 combines the long, sleek Mercedes Aero Coupes of the past with a luxury-enhanced version of the current Maybach S600. Sitting atop its outstretched bonnet, the iconic three-pointed star reigns over an elegant vertical strut grille. The smooth, sloping rear end and attractive 24-inch wheels add to the aesthetically pleasing profile. Adorned with leather and elm 6 wood, the interior includes a sci-fi-esque integrated display. Though not yet well depicted in media, a broad range of information is shown on the interior of the windscreen and upper dash. On the performance end, the Maybach 6 boasts a respectable 550 horsepower, achieving 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. The top speed is electrically limited to 155. A bank of 80 kilowatt batteries charged by a 350 kilowatt DC charging system provides a range of over 200 miles. Beautiful, smart, and futuristic, the Mercedes Maybach 6 concept car demonstrates Mercedes' vision for the years to come. This extreme car could have the highest revving engine of any street-legal car. This is the Aston Martin AMRB 001, a collaboration with Red Bull Racing. Its flowing, aggressive, futuristic design suggests blazing speed, and that's exactly what its creators are promising. At a mind-boggling 11,000 RPM, the proposed V12 engine is an intimidating piece of engineering. Described by Aston Martin as an unprecedented fusion of form and function, the AMRB 001 promises to be enjoyable and practical on the street, while performing as well as any respected exotic car on the racetrack. While that sounds like a tall order to fill, Aston Martin's history of building high-performance production cars is without question. Though much about the final production model is yet to be revealed, the Aston Martin AMRB 001 has even the most casual supercar fan crazy with anticipation. Time waits for no one, especially in business. Anticipating the needs of its future commercial customers, Mercedes-Benz has unveiled its van of tomorrow, the autonomously driven Vision Van. As advanced as its Mercedes cousins, the Future Truck 2025 and the Future Bus, the Vision Van digitally connects every aspect of the delivery process. With its own set of delivery drones, this amazing van can remain stationary at a strategic location, while its drones make deliveries to nearby locations. This will increase last-mile productivity and allow multiple customers to receive their deliveries at the same time. Based on the delivery scheduled, a special algorithm will choose the route, drive the van, control the drones, and determine the order in which the packages are loaded by the automatic cargo system. An incredible robotic tool, the cargo system can select and pass packages to the driver, or attach a package to one of the roof-mounted drones for delivery. As there's no steering wheel, the Vision Van includes a joystick drivers can use for control if needed. An LED matrix in the grille can display messages to pedestrians and other drivers. By combining electric operation with a driverless system and drone technology, the Vision Van is preparing for the challenges to come. Introducing the Nissan Blade Glider, a groundbreaking electric concept car that has the potential to be a real game changer. Created as an electric vehicle that's fun to drive, the Blade Glider doesn't disappoint. Its aerodynamic design cuts through the air with ease and corners like a dream. The trapezoidal shape also necessitates a single front and dual rear seating arrangement similar to a McLaren F1. Nissan's original concept for the Blade Glider sported front hinge doors, but its new incarnation employs rear hinge dihedral doors and slightly larger wheel wells. Two 130 kilowatt electric motors independently power each of the rear wheels, providing a maximum speed of around 115 miles per hour, with acceleration of 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. While not insanely fast, the Blade Glider's lightweight, enhanced stability, and aerodynamic properties make driving it intensely exciting. With advanced torque vectoring, if the car starts to understeer, it automatically sends more torque to the outside wheel to restore the handling balance. 4-point safety harnesses, tough gripping seats, and high-tech instrumentation create a sporty interior. While no information is available for a release date, word has it that Nissan fully intends to bring the Blade Glider to market. To highlight their entrance into the electric car market, Faraday Future has introduced the amazing FF01 concept car. Looking more like something designed for the racetrack than for city streets, the 1,000 horsepower FF01 is nonetheless envisioned to roam the public roads of the near future. According to specifications, this Batmobile-like car will have an electric motor placed on each wheel. The batteries are aligned into rows or strings, allowing the FF01 to achieve a top speed of 200 miles per hour, going from 0 to 60 in only 3 hair-raising seconds. A product of the digital age, the FF01 will be able to learn and adjust to each driver's preferences. The battery arrangement, known as variable platform architecture, will give FF the versatility to add or subtract the number of batteries used in the underlying platform with ease. FF has also invented a patented new power converter that provides 20 to 30% more power than converters currently in use. The FF01 demonstrates what Faraday Future can achieve when taking their innovative technology to the highest end of the spectrum. BMW has been setting standards of automobile excellence for nearly 100 years. Looking forward to its next century, BMW has created a convincing view of the future with the Vision Next 100 concept car. Anticipating a time when driverless cars will be commonplace and people will be constantly digitally connected, the Next 100 addresses lifestyles of the future in a brilliantly insightful way. Its outer skin contains an intelligent mesh of small triangles which rise and fall when the wheels turn to optimize the car's aerodynamics. In Ease Mode, a digital program called Companion will drive the vehicle and operate the car's many functions, providing verbal interaction with the driver. By studying the driver's habits, the Companion's artificial intelligence constantly upgrades its abilities. For manual driving in Boost Mode, the Companion adjusts the seat, steering, and dash positions. Also, the car actually morphs its shape in subtle ways for better control by the driver. The Companion can even recognize when its driver approaches, opening the doors and configuring the fully retractable steering wheel. If you find yourself away from your car, the Next 100 will actually be able to come and pick you up. The Vision Next 100 confirms that BMW will continue to set standards of excellence long into the future. Say hello to one of the most spectacularly beautiful electric cars, the Renault Trezor. Described by Renault design director Lorenz van den Akker as being a car that grown-ups would never have allowed, the Trezor embodies futuristic magnificence. Its sleek, elegant carbon fiber body is artistically alluring. Other than the signature Renault C-shaped headlights, this wide-track 15-foot electric supercar embodies complete design innovation. A space-age front-hinged bonnet covers the entire front and cockpit area, including a luggage compartment framed in finely crafted wood. A pattern of hexagons on the canopy function as air intakes to cool the batteries. Flowing along the car's body are tiny hexagons that actually change form as the Trezor winds into curves for better stability. Laser-assisted fiber optic rear lighting creates a magical visual effect similar to a mini version of the Northern Lights. By virtue of its vast experience in Formula E racing, Renault knows electric drivetrains as well as anyone. With 100% torque power from the very first hint of acceleration, the Trezor's 250-watt, 350-horsepower engine rockets the car from 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. Rounded out by a lavish interior, the Trezor has us longing for tomorrow to arrive. So how would you rate these awesome concept cars? Which ones would you like to see in your future? Tell us in the comment section below. While you're at it, remember to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.